John at Patrick Hyundai, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter on a 2008 Santa Fe. And normally these are recommended every 15,000 miles. So right now we're going to begin. So we're going to start by taking out a couple Phillips head screws. It's best to use a stubby filter. They're really hard to get when they fall.
I'll talk. Come up when you're done.
Also, another thing to use, especially because these there's 10mm bolts here. They're really hard to get to, so it's always best to use an extension and a swivel to get to them. These out, is always best to use a stubby Phillips. There's going to be 6 Phillips screws heads, and there's going to be 2 10mm bolts. Now when you're pulling this out, there's grooves inside, so what you got to do is basically have like a small Phillips or a small flathead. And what you do is just basically pry a little bit on the panel. And when you pry on the panel, so just gotta find a nice spot where you can pry it, so you don't damage it. Another thing to do is, if you can't get these panels out, you can use, like I said, a small Phillips screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. Pry this out, and you can see in the back what you need to move or adjust, or you need to pop out. Also, there's 2 tabs inside that is always best to remove too. Sometimes you can get away without taking these out, but when you're having a difficult time with this whole bracket, you can do it. It makes it a lot easier. Now we can remove those 2 brackets. Come on, you can see a lot more. You can see there's sometimes 2 10mm bolts right here. They're hidden. And now that you have everything popped out, especially this, another good thing to use is a nice flathead, or if you got a special tool, to pry these tabs out. Because once you release this whole glove box from this whole bracket, it'll allow you to access the cabin air filter, and it'll give you enough room, enough space to get your hands in there. So, pop these out. Only 2 of these long black tabs. Now that you have enough room, these right here should come right out. Now it's just a couple clips on the body, or inside the dash of the body, and as soon as you pop them off, they just need a little finagling. Come right out. You're gonna have a connector for your light. in here. It's just on a tab. There's a small tab on the back here. Just with your thumb, finger, push that in, pop it right out. And then this will droop down here. And you can, it's your choice if you want to move this. It's just this is a switch for your light. You don't really have to do it. Now that you have enough room, you can see that you can access your cabin air filter. There's 2 tabs, or 4 actually I should say. They have to be pushed down with 2 fingers and pulled towards the front. Pulled towards me. As soon as you pull these tabs, the whole cabin air filter, the whole assembly will pull out. As you can see right here, it's very difficult sometimes, and it's always best to pull the whole glove box out because you cannot get your fingers or your hands in there. So once you do that, you get enough room, you get enough play, and you get enough strength to pry these tabs out and pull the whole cabin air filter out. And that's the dirty one. Now after you get your new filter, replace it and basically reinsert it. You have to press very hard so you make sure all these clips are placed and clipped on very well. And just repeat the whole process and you're done.